If you or a loved one use a medical alert system, you need it to be reliable. But if you carry a portable system everywhere you go, you also want it to be small, light, and unobtrusive. And the new Mini Guardian from Medical Guardian checks off all those boxes. I imagine that the sage who first said good things come in small packages long ago is now protecting himself with one of these. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. In order to help people age with ease, we review medical alert systems that allow seniors and others to live independently in their homes. In a previous video, I reviewed and demonstrated Medical Guardian medical alert devices that work to protect people at home. Well, another video showed the family of Medical Guardian emergency response devices designed to keep seniors safe everywhere, including the ones you see here. But after we released that popular video, Medical Guardian introduced the Mini Guardian. Now, SeniorLiving.org wants you to have the facts on this sleek new device, so you can find the medical alert system that's right for you. I'll unbox and test the Mini Guardian and list its features, pros, cons, and latest prices. And I'll explain who can benefit from this new life-saving device, such as active seniors. Although the Mini Guardian lives up to its name by being small, it isn't the smallest medical alert system on the market. In fact, it's not the smallest emergency response device made by Medical Guardian. That designation goes to the Freedom Guardian smartwatch. But because it's worn on the wrist, it can't provide fall detection. The Mini Guardian can. The other two portable medical alert systems offered by Medical Guardian are the Mobile Guardian, which can be carried in your purse or pocket, or one on your belt. And then there's the smaller Active Guardian, which is worn around your neck on a lanyard. So the Mini Guardian is an upgrade over the Active Guardian. Now, who needs an on-the-go system like the Mini Guardian? Well, mobile seniors leave the house alone, who are still driving or taking public transportation, biking, walking, shopping, exercising, visiting friends, volunteering, just enjoying life's activities outside the house. And then those of us who have a condition that could require immediate medical attention, whether they're home or out, and people who are prone to falling. Now, during stressful times, being able to call for help with a simple touch of a button can make all the difference. Unlike 911, the call center has your information, so they know who's calling and your medical situation. You can even call for non-emergency help as well. And with fall detection, the Mini Guardian will call for help even when you can't. Let me tell you how this state-of-the-art equipment can protect you or a loved one. Hey, so we got the Mini Guardian here from Medical Guardian. I've reviewed lots of their products before, both their in-home and their portable. So I'm looking forward to seeing this new version of a portable. So, pretty small box. Pop it open here, see what you get. So we've got the Mini Guardian itself. It's pretty small. See, it's on the lanyard here, but I mean, it fits in my fist. It's so small. And it's super duper thin and lightweight as well. So it comes in 3 colors, black, white, or obviously silver. Sleek little unit. Looks pretty cool. What else do you get with it? Charging. Pretty small plug. Should be easy to plug in. That's not going to take up all your outlets. And your belt clip. And the instructions. So we're going to plug this baby in, test it out, and see how she does. So take a look at the Active Guardian. Now, even though it's small, it dwarfs the Mini Guardian, which is 2.7 inches tall, 1.4 inches across, and a little more than ½ an inch thick, or should I say thin. This only weighs about 1.3 ounces, or about half the weight of the Active Guardian. And when you compare it to the Freedom Guardian, you can see it's actually a little bit thinner than the smartwatch itself. All in all, pretty small, but it packs quite a lot of power. This technological tiny titan, it still manages to squeeze in a smorgasbord of fantastic features. It's got 3 different location technologies: global positioning system, You know it as GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular triangulation. In an emergency, every second counts, so you need to be found as quickly as possible. And you don't have to have cell service or Wi-Fi for these to work. So it also has 4G technology for improved communication. Many older medical alert systems still rely on the slower 3G technology. Battery inside the unit will power it for up to 5 days. Now, I recommend charging it every night in its cradle right next to your bed, so it can protect you while you're sleeping. It takes just 3 hours to completely charge, and you'll know it's completely charged because the light here will be completely red. It'll be a solid red light. Now, it's water resistant, so you can wear it at the shower, and it's best to dry it off with a towel right away if you do get it wet. And besides the HD speakers with noise canceling technology, the microphone, and the emergency call button, the Mini Guardian also includes built-in fall detection. So the unit contains an accelerometer, which constantly calculates whether you've fallen. If the high-tech device determines you have, it dials the call center proactively. You don't have to do a thing. They're not 100% accurate, but they could mean the difference between life and death. So to call for help, at home or away, you simply press the emergency call button for a few seconds, and the light should turn blue, and you'll hear that your call for help has been successfully sent. Then you'll be connected through a cellular signal with their accredited US-based call center, which is open around the clock. And there, trained professionals will contact first responders, such as EMTs, police, or firefighters, if the customer requests. Or they can even reach out to family, friends, or a neighbor. Let's try a test and see how long it takes for them to answer. I'm going to press the button here.
Support center.
So turn blue, it said calling the support center. You can hear it ringing.
Connecting to emergency operator.
This is Thomas with Medical Guardian. Do you need help?
No, just testing the system, thank you.
Of course. Is this Jeff Hoyt?
It is indeed.
Thank you for choosing Medical Guardian. Have a good night.
You too, thanks again. So that went pretty well. They answer pretty quickly. Now, obviously, they heard me, we had a conversation, but if they can hear you, they'll call your designated phone number to check up on your well-being, and if they still don't reach you, well, then they'll send emergency services to the location of the Mini Guardian, thanks to all those 3 location technologies I mentioned earlier, so it can pinpoint your location, even if you can't communicate it, or you don't even know where you are. So if you accidentally press the button, don't worry about that. You just tell the call center it's a false alarm, no one will be dispatched, and there's no charge for a false alarm, unlike many home security systems. You get an unlimited number of button presses. In fact, you should test your system monthly just to make sure it's in working order. You want to make sure it's working if you ever need it. So another cool feature is if you start feeling poorly while you're out or you get surprised by the rain, well, you'd like some help, but it's not an emergency. So when you first sign up for service, you'll detail what Medical Guardian calls your care circle. It's a list of your care providers, such as family or neighbors. And when requested, instead of calling a first responder or 911, the call center will provide your location of family or friend who can give you a ride home. So how much would you pay for this much protection? Well, to acquire the Mini Guardian for a loved one or for yourself, you need to make an initial outlay of $125. Then you'll pay about $40 a month for the service. If you want fall detection, well, that's an additional $10 a month. It's already built in, but you have to pay extra to activate it. And that's about it when it comes to options. Because the Mini Guardian is self-contained and you can easily wear it anywhere you go, you don't need extra buttons or other add-ons like you do with other systems. But just remember to take it with you if you want it to work. Now, I recommend the Mini Guardian for active people looking for protection wherever they go, especially those who have medical conditions or are prone to fall. Because it's so less bulky than other products, people are more likely to wear them everywhere. So they'll be protected more often. And more people are carrying cell phones, and you can use a cell phone to call 911. But Mini Guardian can also be used for non-emergency calls easily. And with fall detection, it could call for help even when you can't dial 911. Now, no matter how good a product is, it's only as good as the company that stands behind it. And I feel that you can trust Medical Guardian. The company has a lot going for it, including no activation fees, no long-term contracts. Now, if you do want to sign up for a year, they'll lower their rate and guarantee the price. And they'll even throw in some freebies like a lockbox. That way, when the call center sends emergency personnel to your home, they'll share the lockbox code, so they don't need to break down your door to reach you. And if you do sign up for a year, and then you change your mind or no longer need the service, you can get a prorated refund for the months you haven't used as soon as you return the equipment. Other companies won't refund your money. Their 24/7 US-based call center is certified by Underwriters Laboratory, which means they meet the highest set of standards of safety and reliability. They also receive the highest rating from the Monitoring Association. They have medical personnel on staff and can even work with translation services if there's a language issue. The one negative I have about the company is they don't own their own call center, so they're not under Medical Guardian's direct control, and they may change. But all in all, we're very impressed with Medical Guardian's state-of-the-art Mini Guardian and their other products and their service. For more products to help us age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.Org, where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including assisted living, in-home care, and everything in between. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.